In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted files on Windows if you accidentally removed something important and it's no longer inside the recycle bin. Luckily, there are still a few recovery methods you can try before giving up on the files completely. The first thing you should always check is the recycle bin because in many cases deleted files still end up there before getting permanently removed. Open the Start menu, search for Recycle Bin, and look through all the files inside. If you find your deleted file there, you can simply restore it back to its original location in a few seconds. But if the recycle bin has already been emptied, the next thing worth checking is file history. Open the Control panel, go into System and Security, and then look for File History. If this feature was enabled on your PC before the files were deleted, Windows may still have older backup versions saved automatically. From there, you might be able to restore previous versions of folders or files directly without needing extra software. If neither of those methods works, Windows also has another built-in recovery tool called Windows File Recovery. You can download it directly from the Microsoft Store by searching for Windows File Recovery. After installing it, open the application and you'll be able to choose between two different recovery modes. Regular mode is designed for files deleted recently and is usually much faster, while extensive mode is meant for older, damaged, or harder to recover files. In most situations, starting with a regular scan is the best option because it takes less time. To actually recover files, you need to type a command that tells the tool which drive the deleted file originally came from and where the recovered files should be saved. One important thing here is that the recovery destination cannot be the same drive where the files were deleted from, because saving recovered data onto the same drive could overwrite the files you're trying to restore. Because of that, it's recommended to use another partition, external drive, or USB stick as the recovery location. You can also narrow down the search by filtering specific folders or file types instead of scanning everything on the drive. For example, you can search only for PNG images, PDF files, DOCX documents, or other formats you're specifically trying to recover. Once the scan fully finishes, Windows will place all recovered files into recovery folders on the destination drive so you can check what was successfully restored. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.